Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have root t over t is equal to root 2, and here what to solve for the value of t. So t is equal to question mark. Now to solve this, solution. So we have root t all over t is equal to root 2. Now we are going to use two methods to solve this question. So for the first method, method 1, now first thing is to write root 2 as root 2 over 1 such that we can cross multiply. So 1 times root t is root t is equal to t times root 2 is t root 2. Okay, so from here we're going to eliminate the square root from here. So square the both sides of the equation in bracket root t all squared is equal to in bracket t times root 2 all squared. From here, square will cancel square root. What we have is t is equal to in bracket t times root 2 all squared. So applying this rule of indices, that if you have a times b all raised to power 2, this equals a squared times b squared. So applying this right here, the value of t is then equal to, this becomes t squared times in bracket root 2 all squared. So from here, t is equal to t squared times square cancel square root. What we have is 2. So t is equal to t squared times 2 is 2t squared. So with this, we are going to move this t over to this side. So here becomes 0 is equal to 2t squared minus t. Rearranging this then becomes 2t squared minus t is equal to 0. So factorize out t from here. T into bracket here becomes 2t minus 1 is equal to 0. So with this, we can equate t is equal to 0, or this 2t minus 1 is equal to 0. From here, we have gotten the first value of t, so t1 is equal to 0. Now for this other linear equation, so we have 2t, move minus 1 over to this side, it becomes plus 1. So then, to then solve for t, you divide both sides by 2 over 2. 2 we divide 2, the value of t is equal to 1 over 2. So the second value of t, t2 is equal to 1 over 2. So we got two solutions of t using the first method. Now for the second method, right here, second method, the question is root t over t is equal to root 2. So with this, we're going to express the value of root t as t raised to power 1 over 2, then over t is equal to root 2. Then, looking at this t right here, the power of t here is 1. So we are going to apply this rule of indices, that if you have a raised to power b over a raised to power c, this is equal to a raised to power b minus c. So applying this rule right here, we have the same base t. So you pick 1 and then you subtract the powers since they are joined by division sign. So 1 over 2 minus 1 is equal to root 2. The next thing for us to do is to simplify the value of half minus 1. So right here, we have 1 over 2 minus 1. 1 can be written as over 1. So we can then look for the LCM of 2 and 1. The LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So 2 divided 2, 1. 1 times 1 is 1, minus 1 we divide to 2 times 1 is 2. So this is equal to 1 minus 2 is minus 1 over 2. Okay, so this means that the value of half minus 1 is minus 1 over 2. So from here, this becomes t raised to power minus 1 over 2 is equal to root 2. Okay, so the next thing for us to do is to remove the square root from here by squaring the both sides of the equation. So in bracket, t raised to power minus 1 over 2 all squared is equal to, in bracket, root 2 then all squared. So from here, power 2 multiplies 1 over 2, this becomes t raised to power minus 2 over 2 is equal to square cancel square root, we have 2. So with this, the value of t, right, 2 we divide 2, we have raised to power minus 1 is equal to 2. Now t raised to power minus 1 can be written as 1 over t is equal to 2. Writing down 2 as over 1, we can then simply cross multiply. 1 times 1 is 1 is equal to 2 times 2 is 2t. So divide both sides by 2 all over 2. 2 we divide 2, the value of t is equal to 1 over 2. Now for the second method, you only got one solution for the value of t. Now let's check for the solutions of t that we got. We got the value of t right here. The value of t equals to 0, and the second value equals to 1 over 2, same as the second solution method. Okay, so let us check whether these solutions are the correct solution. Now let's check. The first value of t is equal to 0. The second solution is 1 over 2 for the first and second method. Now with this, the question is root t over t is equal to root 2. So let us check for the first value of t, which equals 0. Inputting the value of t as 0 into this equation, so we have it as root t becomes 0 over t is 0. Will this equal root 2 question mark? So from here, root 0 is 0 over 0. Will this equal root 2 question mark? Now 0 over 0 is undefined. Okay, is undefined, and this is not equal to root 2. So this means that the value of t, which equals 0, is not the correct solution for the value of t for this question. But then let us check for this other value of t, t2 to equal 1 over 2. So we have the value of t is equal to 1 over 2, and the question is root t over t is equal to root 2. So inputting the value of t as 1 over 2, this becomes root 1 over 2 divided by t is 1 over 2. Will this equal root 2 question mark? So from here, this can be written as root 1 over root 2 then divided by 1 over 2. Will this equal root 2 question mark? From here, root 1 is 1 over, we have root 2. Divide into times, 2 goes up, so 2 over 1 is equal to root 2. So this equal question mark. So from here, 1 times 2 is 2 over root 2 times 1 is root 2. Will this equal root 2 question mark? So the next thing for us to do is to rationalize the denominator, which is root 2. So this becomes 2 times root 2 all over root 2 times root 2 is equal to root 2. With this equal question mark? So from here, 2 times root 2 is 2 root 2 over root 2 times root 2 is root 4. Will this equal root 2 question mark? From here, 2 root 2 over root 4 is 2. Will this equal root 2 question mark? So with this, all we have is 2 right here. We divide this 2 such that root 2 is equal to root 2. So this means that the value of t that we got as 1 over 2 is the correct solution. Okay, so with this, we have gotten the solution that satisfies the given equation. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.